Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put number 5 go to the right, and we have negative number 3. Later that we divide both sides by number 7. And now we have the formula in here. So in this one, that is about 8 equals to a cosine of b plus k2b. And we know that k belongs to integers. And 8 equals to negative a cosine of b plus k2b. Now we can apply the formula in here. Go in here. So a that is about 3x minus number 1. B that is about this one. So I will put negative number 1 go to the right. And then we divide both sides by number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.